Welcome into the Cheeley Law Review. My name is Ben Burnett, and my guest today is Gabby Gravel. Gabby, how are you?
Great, thanks for having me.
It is so good to see you. I have a question that I think a lot of people probably overlook when they get into a legal scenario, both as a client and as a practitioner. How do you take care of yourself during a trial?
Well, there's two different routes to this. One is for the lawyer, and then one is for the client themselves. Sometimes you're in a very emotional trial. It's more about either a loss of somebody, or loss of your independence from an injury, or loss of sleep and stress and money from a business dispute with somebody you used to trust. Oftentimes, it's just very emotionally taxing on a person. And aside from getting enough sleep, getting exercise, eating the right things, you need to make sure you're mentally in a state where you can listen to all of that and sit there and hear all of it. So we had a case that was very emotional, and the clients elected to leave at certain times during the day because we gave them a heads up. Hey, we're going to be talking about this very sensitive issue, this very sensitive part of the case. I don't think that you're going to need to sit here and have to listen to it. They took our advice, and I think that was for the better.
As a lawyer in a trial, I imagine that your life becomes all consumed into those days or weeks. I imagine a lot of other aspects of the life you used to have go away.
Yes, so most of the time you're out of town, but we have one coming up where I'm gonna get to stay at home and just commute to the courthouse. But when you're not at home and you're at a hotel with the whole team, we rent out the little workspace room. So we've got a war room with all of our stuff in it. We all sit in there until 11, 12, 1 a.m. just getting prepared, because so much stuff can be on the fly. There's new stuff to talk about, new questions to ask, new objections to work around. So all of that's good and fun, but you've got to make sure that you have a good night's sleep. Because if you're in there the next day with brain fog and you're tired, it's not going to do anybody any good.
Do you take time during the day, during a trial? Do you have to step out for 15 minutes, take a walk, not think about whatever you're doing, or do you just not have any opportunity? Is it that grueling on your life?
It's pretty grueling. You do have a lunch break because the jury does need to have a break too and get to go out. So you can go outside and have a little time, but if you're going to go pick up lunch, you probably should have already ordered it just to have it there, because you're going to have work to do.
Talk about the mental state of your clients, and talk about how you encourage them to care for themselves beyond just coming and going, or when you might want to skip this certain part of the trial because you'll have to relive things you don't really want to listen to or hear about, and there's a lot of really good reasons for that. What other advice do you tell them in order to make sure that they stay healthy? Because that's got to be a very stressful process.
Well, we also spend time with the clients during trial outside of the courtroom. We will have dinner with them most nights. I think we did that for our last trial. We had dinner with the clients every single night. And, we invite them to call us and spend time with us if they feel like they want to and feel like they want to give some input. So they're not excluded at all from being in the know of what's going on for the next day. And I think it's important too to prepare them for what each day brings, because as soon as their side of the story is over, then they have to hear the defense's side. And that can oftentimes be hard for them to hear too.
Do you prepare them for that process of what can be potentially a cross-examination to talk about somebody that they care about and things that may or may not have happened and how they would feel?
Yeah, and oftentimes you have to explain what the defense's job is. It's not personal. Oftentimes it's not personal. Sometimes it is. But for the most part, they have a job to do as well. And their job is telling the other side of the story that may or may not be true. We may or may not agree with it, but that's what the court system allows to happen. So preparing them for what they're going to hear and letting them know that it may seem insensitive, it may seem
callous,
aggravating, but this is what trial is, and that's one of the risks of going to trial is the emotional turmoil.
Well, Gabby, thank you for spending time with me today. This has been another episode of the Cheeley Law Review. See you guys next time.